Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to display times as durations in Excel without the AM/PM portion, and how to sum them correctly. Step 1. Calculate time worked. Let's say we want to calculate the time worked on Monday. Formula equals clock out minus clock in. This gives you the time worked, for example, 8:30 in the morning. But by default, Excel shows AM/PM, and we want just the duration. Right-click the cell, choose Format Cells, or press Ctrl+1. Go to Custom in the Format Cells window. In the Type box, enter. H:\M shows hours and minutes without AM/PM. Click OK. Copy this format down the column, and now all times display as durations. Next, let's add up the times. Click the cell where you want the total, for example, F10. Use AutoSum to sum the durations. You may see a strange result because Excel's default time format resets at 24 hours. To fix this, right-click the Total cell, Format Cells, or press Ctrl+1. In Custom, update the Type box to open square bracket H, close square bracket :M, M. Click OK. Now Excel adds the times as a total duration, not as a time of day. And that's it. You can now show times as durations and sum them properly, even if the total exceeds 24 hours. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If this was useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.